Here's how to fix the issue of no sound during an iPhone screen recording. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. You should see the screen recording button there. As you can see, I'm currently screen recording my iPhone. Now, if you're recording but not hearing any audio, here's what you can do. First, make sure the screen recording feature is added to your control center. Tap anywhere outside the screen to bring up the control center options, then select Add Control. Search for screen recording and ensure it's included. Once it's added, you're ready to go. Instead of just tapping the screen recording button, press and hold it. If you only tap it, it'll start a countdown, but by pressing and holding, you'll see additional options. A message will appear saying everything on your screen will be recorded. At the bottom, you'll notice an option labeled Microphone Off. Tap on this to enable the microphone. This will allow you to record both the sounds from your iPhone and any ambient noise, like your voice if you're speaking during the recording. If this doesn't solve the issue, you can try a third-party app. Head to the App Store and search for Screen Recorder. You'll find several highly rated options. Download and install one of these apps, which often include a microphone feature for recording audio. Look for the microphone icon in the app and use it to capture both your screen and sound. You're not limited to the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone. Third-party apps work just as well. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me.